Hey guys, so just a quick video. This is a 2015 Volvo XC60. It's a T5 2-liter turbo, but I think it should apply for all the XC60s. So this is for the blower motor resistor, or I think they call it power module or whatever. I just wanted to show there was no schematics or anything anywhere in any of my books, all data, whatever. So just hunting around, I finally found it, comparing it to the older ones. So accelerator pedal, you got to get it out of the way. I actually already started putting it back in. That's the resistor there with the heat sink. If you can look right behind it, I had to cut out a huge portion of the foam against the firewall, because you are going to have a hard time. So just, rip out a huge chunk. And now what I was going to try to do is film how I managed to even get it out, and now they're putting back in. So I have to start it with the ass end in. It's really tight, that first step, but you can't get it in there. You're just gonna have to mess around with it. And then once it's in and you can get it like that, then you can slowly start to bring it down. And this is going to be a two-part video, I think. So I'm going to be bringing it down here and it's going in here, but I need two hands to do it right now, so I'm going to put it down and then I'll take a quick shot after to show you guys how it looks when it's installed.